Okay, good day, guys. Welcome back. Now, let's quickly take a quick analysis on AUDUSD. But before that, if you are yet to subscribe and you don't subscribe, please click on the subscribe button, like and share. So we can see that at first, AUDUSD is actually giving us a bullish move. That is a full trend, by the way. So yeah, on the 14th, which was on the 4th, sorry, on the 4th, and which was the first day, a news was released about our USD and it actually came out positive, but we had a drop on our USD that day. Anyway, since the news has come out positive, we expect some bullish move on our USD. That is to say, any peers will be trading to our USD should give us a bearish move. So we can see that we are supposed to have bearish move for that day, but I believe markets, there was a manipulation in the market whereby it needs to take out a lot of traders. A lot of traders were kind of like a sell, were selling, so this price kind of pushed out to take out a lot of traders. But now we are now start having that bearish move. You can see that this price has closed open and closed bearish for yesterday. So today I also believe that we will also have a bearish move. That is what I think. So if in case we don't have it, then fine. But I believe we would have that bearish move for today. Now, if you take a look at this forward time frame, you can see the trend is a downtrend move, which is a movement upward, a pullback here. This is a new lows. Here happens to be a pullback, right? Now we should be expecting another drop on AUDUSD. So AUDUSD expects more bearish move to be made.